Namaste everyone, this is Sandeep and welcome to my channel Only Study by Sandeep Diman. Our today's topic is lesson number 3, Air Around Us. It's part 3, Atmospheric Temperature and Pressure and Wind. Let's start discussing. So first of all, if we talk about atmospheric temperature and pressure, then you must know the air has a pressure or weight. Okay, there is always a pressure or the weight of the air on our body, but we never feel it. Okay, but it constantly presses us. How can we measure this? The pressure or the weight of the air is measured by an instrument. This is the instrument. It is known as barometer. Look here, these numbers. The unit of air pressure is known as millibar. Okay, so these are millibars, these numbers, right? I hope up to here everything is clear to you. Air has weight or pressure and it is measured by barometer, and the unit of measuring air pressure is millibar. Okay, now attempt these two questions. Which instrument measures the pressure or weight of the air? So this is barometer. What is the unit of measuring air pressure? So this is millibar. Look here in this picture. Suppose this is the sea level. Not suppose, this is the sea level. Okay, and the pressure of the air is measured here. Okay, from the sea level we measure it. When we move to the heights, this is Mount Everest. Suppose we are going to the Mount Everest, we are climbing on it, then the temperature and the pressure of the air will decrease. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Now look here, what is the normal pressure at sea level? So this is 1013 millibar. Okay, normal pressure from where we measure, from the sea level. Okay, and it is 1013 millibar. The air temperature and atmospheric pressure drop with the height. As I told you, when we move to the heights, the temperature of the air and the pressure of the atmosphere both decrease. Okay, the variation in atmospheric temperature and pressure divides the atmosphere in different layers. In our previous lesson we had discussed different layers. Those layers are due to the variation in the atmospheric temperature and pressure. Look here in the picture. Okay, so this is plains, troposphere, tropopause. Okay, this is troposphere, and then after here stratosphere, then after comes mesosphere. So this is the change in the atmospheric pressure and temperature. Now next we have, look here in the picture, sun rays are falling here and here they are not. What happens when the sun rays fall? Air gets heated and then after it rises upward. Okay, it vacates the area and there becomes low pressure area, right? Now what happens? The cool wind, cool air comes from high pressure area to fill this space. Okay, and cover this, right? I hope this is clear to you. The air gets heated and then after rises upward, and cool air that comes to fill this. Okay, this is called wind. Let's see now one more thing. Direction of the wind. Wind always flow from high pressure area to low pressure area, right? Now look here, wind. First of all, when the temperature rises, as I told you, air gets heated and rises upward, and it causes fall in air pressure. As I told, air rises upward, so there is a vacant space, and it is known as low pressure area. There is no air, so low air pressure is there. The area from where the air rises upward becomes low pressure area. Okay, as I told, cold and dense air from high pressure area comes to fill this vacated area. As I told you, cool air from the high pressure area comes and fill this space, right? This movement of the air is called wind. Air is a constant thing, and the wind is the flowing of air. Now the questions. I hope everything is clear to you and you can easily attempt this. Air pressure fall. So it falls when the temperature rises and air gets heated and rises upward, right? When the temperature rises, air gets heated and rises upward, it causes fall in air pressure. What is low pressure area? So when the heated air rises upward, there becomes low pressure area. What is wind? The movement of the air. Okay, in which area the cold and dense air found? In high pressure area. I hope everything is clear. Now look here, this is the last slide. Wind always flow from high pressure area to low pressure area, as I had shown you in the picture. Seasonal winds causes rainfall. Our country receives monsoon rains. Okay, in our country monsoons are very important. Monsoon rains are very important. They support our agricultural economy, right? And our country India is very much dependent on monsoonal rainfall. One more thing, atmospheric temperature and pressure are opposite to each other. If the temperature will be high, the pressure will be low. If the temperature will be low, then pressure will be high. Okay, now attempt this. The wind flow from blank area to blank area, from high pressure to low pressure. What is the relation between air pressure and temperature? So they always if the temperature will be high, the pressure will be low. They are opposite to each other, right? Which rainfall supports Indian agriculture economy? So monsoonal rainfall. Let's recapitulate and revise. Which instrument measures the pressure or temperature of the air? Pause the video, think answer, and then after play the video. So it is barometer. Which unit is what is the unit of air measuring air pressure? It is millibar. What is the normal air pressure at sea level? So it is 1013 millibar. If you are climbing on a mountain, what will be the change? Temperature and pressure, air pressure, they both will be decreasing. But divides the atmosphere in different layers? So variation in temperature and air pressure. How does air pressure fall? When air gets heated and rises upward, it causes fall in the air pressure. What is low pressure area? When the heated air rises upward and vacated the area, this is called low pressure area. What is wind? So movement of the air. In which area in which area the cold and dense air found? So it is found in high pressure area. The winds flow from high pressure to low pressure. What is the relation between air pressure and temperature? They are opposite to each other. If the temperature will be high, the pressure will be low. Which rainfall supports our agricultural economy? Monsoonal rainfall. Now here is homework for you. Write and learn the questions, revise the topic, test yourself, improve your reading and writing skill, and again keep taking oral test and keep guiding and motivating the child. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.